All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 0469 State versus Timothy Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
Now we shift to Audrey Bash, a whole new case but the same courtroom energy. Her charge? Unlawfully carrying a weapon as a convicted felon. The judge's tone is calm, but the stakes couldn't be higher.
For the state.
Adam Forrest for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Timothy Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense has filed a motion to set bond, and is this a motion to revoke as well?
No, Your Honor, it's only a motion to set a bond.
No, I mean, is he on probation?
Yes, Your Honor, it's an MTR, Your Honor.
All right, can I see the MTR, please? And it's on Timothy Hernandez.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, so the defendant is on deferred adjudication, so he's entitled to a bond. And have you all discussed the motion to revoke?
I do not believe so.
No, Your
All
Honor.
right, so if y'all would discuss that and then come back up and I'll take up your motion to set bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you. All right, so the motion to revoke, is that going to end up being contested?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that next Thursday?
Yeah, the NPR was set up.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, I'm not the attorney record for the MTR. I'm the new number one. I'm only the attorney record for the
The motion to revoke?
motion rule.
All right, so here's the thing. This is your attorney for the motion to revoke. According to the allegations in the motion to revoke, there's only one allegation in the motion to revoke, and that's a new number one. So this attorney is going to be handling that motion to revoke. And since it's contested, it's going to be contested with regards to the new number one. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. So you're on deferred adjudication. Do you understand that? The state is alleging that you violated your deferred adjudication. And this number one, is that a misdemeanor or is that a felony? The allegation.
It's a state jail felony, Your Honor.
No, I mean the new number one within the motion.
Yes, state jail felony.
So is the charge?
So the charge is of driving while intoxicated with a child under 15 allegedly.
Here's the twist. Driving while intoxicated with a child is a state jail felony. That means even a minor slip-up could land Hernandez behind bars for months. Do you think the $10,000 bond is fair?
All right, so what that means is whether he represents you on the new number one or not, that's not an issue for the court because you're on deferred adjudication. He is stating that he is your attorney on the deferred adjudication, so he handles that entire motion. Do you understand? And you're set for a contested hearing on Thursday. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so with regards to the motion to set bond, have you all come to an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe our agreement is for $10,000 bond.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hernandez, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your names for the record.
Timothy Hernandez.
All right. In the past, have you ever had any type of mental health issues?
No.
Have you ever been on any type of medication for mental health issues?
Not terribly, no.
All right, so the person who's in the back, let me ask you something. We're off the record. Have you been sworn in to testify?
Mm-hmm.
So your answers are not his answers. Do you understand? Okay.
So she's here for somebody else in the box.
Well,
No, she's a wife.
she's my next question for you is, have you ever used any type of drugs in the past?
Yeah,
And what would that be?
just marijuana.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set your bond at $10,000. There's to be no driving. Any other conditions requested?
Random UAs? Or I'm sorry, he said, I'm sorry. No.
Okay. And there's to be 15 sober meetings in 15 days. All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see you on Thursday, and Thursday will be your contested hearing.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. May I speak, Your
Norma,
Honor?
he needs a reset. Norma, he needs a reset. Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
When do you think he will be
I think
officially?
it's been next week. I just need to coordinate with Malik, and he just needs to be on probation.
Okay,
So that's the only two things I'm looking at.
all right, so let me see the file on Hatch, please. Malik Hatch. Oh, you're welcome. You know,
Shed tears.
all right, so is he, then they're saying that he needs to be placed on probation? So,
Yeah, I'm not quite
So-
sure what.
let's do that. And if we get that done today, they'll be able to have him in the program next week. So if you will state, are you on Hatch? All right, so my understanding, he's being accepted into Veterans Treatment Court. And they're willing to get him into the program next week. But we need to go ahead and do sentencing today.
Okay.
So if you could draw up the paperwork, and then we'll take care of it today. And then I'll put as part of the orders, my not general, but specific conditions to him. And one of those conditions will be a referral to Veterans Treatment Court. And if he doesn't show up, so
He sounds like we just talked. He sounds like he's ready to go. So
Okay.
we'll
all
get it
right,
going.
so just go over the paperwork, and then Ms. Abrams will give me the referral for you all, and
Perfect.
we'll go from there.
I'll write it out. Thank you.
All right, Audrey Jessica Bash. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Court is calling 2025 CR 008-991 State versus Audrey Jessica Bash. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Joseph states in for Audrey Bash. And Your Honor, if I may, we are here for her to enter a plea on the motion to revoke probation, and there's a number one offense that she intends to plead on. And just so the court's aware, we're going to ask for a PSI and for sentencing to be the same day as the MTR PSI, the same date to handle both sentencing.
Yes. All right, counsel, in this cause number, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're Ms. Bash? Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And I also have an application for community supervision. Did you review that as well?
Yes, I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it?
I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Bash, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate
I
places?
did.
You're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony.
Welcome to court, where every second counts. Today, we're diving into a tense double feature. One defendant fighting bond, another facing revocation. But trust me, things get legally wild fast.
Conviction, that's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
I did.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison and up to 2,000, I'm sorry. Did you understand, I'm reading the plea bargain agreement. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
We've discussed that, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes,
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Bash, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yeah.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied re-entry, and denied naturalization. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 2272. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 008992. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I do.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I do.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no
No
contest?
contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Did.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
I did.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Counsel, if you're requesting a PSI and TAP evaluation, that
Yes,
will be
Your Honor.
12 weeks.
We're hoping that something could be scheduled sooner, and if something else drops off, if an inmate is sick in the hospital and it bumps her up, we would hope to come back before on an earlier.
Deferred adjudication might sound lenient, but one mistake and she faces up to 20 years. Notice how methodically the judge repeats every right, ensuring no appeal loopholes later. These moments define courtroom precision.
Second.
All right.
And she did have a TAP evaluation earlier, but I don't know if that's been expired or not.
Okay.
All right. Norm, I need a date, PSI and TAP evaluation. Let's put it down for 6 weeks. Let's see what we can do. All right, we'll say